Hi there. In this video tutorial, we're going to go over entering meters for emergency diesel generator PMs. These are very important, they're compliance based, and it's critical that they're done in real time. They're inspected and directly affect our accreditation. Okay, let's discuss meters. In Maximo, there's three different types. You have continuous, gauge, and characteristic. Typically in EasyMax, we're going to be doing pass-fail, start-stop, low, medium, high, and free-form text observations, which, although not measurable, they do provide valuable insight. Okay, let's let Seth demonstrate how this is going to look in EasyMax.
Alright, for example purposes, let's open a work order that has already been completed. In this example, we're going to pull out the ATS and generator. For LPPI, we're going to select this work order. As you can see, this is the landing screen. Now to perform this PM, we're going to go down to the task level to record our actions. We're going to do that by clicking on the task over on the left side of the screen. As you can see here, all the steps are listed to perform the PM. What you want to do is go into the details section of each task in order to get to the meter readings. Let's start with the first task. Notice this first task has no meter readings. We're just going to go ahead and check box the complete status. Since this is an example work order, notice that the box has already been checked. Here's a new time-saving feature. Rather than pressing back in order to get to the list view, we're going to go ahead and select the next button to move on to the next task. Notice that when we press next, we are now at task 20, which is effectively the second task of the job plan. Notice in this work order example, the checkbox has already been completed. We will now move on to the next task. Notice that task 30, there is a request on the job plan task to record a meter reading. In this specific example, it's asking us to record pre-run hours. Below, we're going to enter the values in the meter value section. Notice this is a previously completed example. There has already been a recorded value from the last time that the meter was recorded. Once again, after enter the meter readings, we're going to go ahead and ensure that the checkbox is completed. And of course, to move on to the next task, we're going to scroll to the top and click next. Now that we completed all the required tasks, we're going to go ahead and select the back button and verify that all tasks has been completed in the list view. Once you completed this, be sure to click on work log to create a new work log entry. Be sure to note any discrepancy found during this preventive maintenance check. At this point, the most important step is to be sure to click on the Save button on the upper right-hand corner, and finally, enter a new labor entry and change the status.
So let's review. From the work order, you're going to click on Tasks. There'll be a bunch of tasks in there. You want to start at the top and choose one. Then review the details, enter a meter value, check Task Complete, click Next and repeat the steps for other tasks, and save. From here, just like all work orders, you're going to put in a work log entry and then change the status to complete. From all of us at the Customer Service Center, thanks for watching. We hope this video tutorial was helpful.